I wanted to get on today and talk about why it feels like the process of weight loss and feeling better always seems to take a long time and how that can sometimes hinder us. So as an example, this morning I had one of my clients who's been really successful. She posted how she was so thankful for the process. She said, losing inches has been happening faster. Losing weight has been happening slowly, but she's lost 14 pounds and 19 inches. And she explained that this happened over the course of 4 months. And the thing is, some people will come to me, and I do say, you can lose 5 to 25 pounds in the course of 12 weeks. That's 3 months. And I'm also looking for people to realize that sometimes it's inches that come off before it's pounds, because if you're doing strength training and you're losing fat, you're kind of losing fat at the same time as building muscle. So, those numbers kind of go back and forth. So to put her numbers into perspective, I told her, I was like, you know what, you've done the work. And the key for her success was that she trusted the process from the start and she was consistent. We spoke every week. We talked about the things that she was doing and what she needed to focus on the following week. I didn't cut out anything from her. I actually helped, a lot of times I'm helping people realize you can eat all of the things. Like you should be able to eat vegetables and fruit and, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, all of those things should be included in your nutrition. So if you actually divide her numbers, in 4 months, she was losing 0.1 of a pound every day. And then she was losing only 0.15 of an inch every day. So the reason that people think it's slow is because they focus on that total end number and they're not, we're not focused on like the daily number. If we consistently focus on the habits, those big numbers end up to those big results. Again, just to be in perspective, if she had daily been just focused on the fact that she wasn't losing pounds consistently on the scale, she would have never gotten to that 14 pounds. She would have never gotten to those 19 inches. But instead, she focused on the small habits that were definitely going to improve her health. The thing is, I was really excited to see her post because I remember when she started, she was like, this is going really slowly. The scale isn't changing. And I was like, but let's put this into perspective. How much better are you exercising and eating than when we started? Are you doing better than you were before we started? Are you feeling better? Are you sleeping better? Do you have better energy? All of those things were adding up, and those are the things that we were counting as wins. And then lastly, is the weight loss and the inches. So, focusing on the small habits is absolutely key, and not letting the scale not going down derail you, because if at any point she'd quit, she would have never gotten to this point.